The question. So water is sold in pints. What is the mass of a bottle of water? Okay, so the question is mass of a bottle of water. What is the mass of a bottle of water? Well, what we need to know is what is the measurement for mass? It could be grams or kilograms, right? So keep that in mind. So somehow, and we have a 1 pint bottle of water. Now, do you guys remember from your notes the relationship between mass and volume of water? Do you guys remember that? Huh? Well, let's go to Mr. Adams' website. All right. So we'll go to Mr. Adams' website. We're going to come in here and we'll go to physics. And then it's in the PowerPoint presentation. And we're going to look and see. It's also in your book, but I want to make sure that you guys are paying attention to your notes. Yeah, we did a lot of notes, didn't we? So if we come in here and we come over a little bit and we scroll down, it was in the notes from the chapter, which has taken a really long time to open. And shh, be quiet. You guys are funny. If I stop teaching for like 3 seconds, you start talking. There's something wrong with you. All right, here we go. Scrolling down, mass, more metric stuff, mass, unit analysis, blah, 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 blah. Wait a minute. In fact, it was on one of your questions from your homework. Where was it? I think I skipped it already. I sure did. The relationship, it has to do with how, here it is. 1.2. It says that 0.1, so keep this in mind, 0.10 meters cubed is equal to 1 kilogram of water. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we'll find that that is also equal to 1 liter. So I think that's the relationship, right? So if we look, a kilogram is the mass of 0.10 cubic meters. And when we get to volume, I'm not sure if it's here or if it's in your book. Here it is. The basic unit for volume in the SI system is a cubic meter. However, this is a large, this is rather large for everyday use, so the volume of a cube 0.1 meters is called a liter. So what they're saying is that there's a relationship between this, and this. And we're given pints. So how many pints are in a quart?
2.
2. So I'm going to write pints over quarts. What goes on the bottom? Pints. So I'm going to say 2 pints per 1 quart. Okay, cool. How many quarts are in a gallon? 4. So what do I do there? Where do the quarts go? Top or bottom? Bottom. How come? All right. Now, how many? I think we can do a conversion from gallons to liters. Does anybody know what that is off the top of their head? Let's look in the book. Look in the front page of the book. Now, Mr. Adams is purposefully adding extra stuff, but 1 liter is equal to somewhere in here 7.8 gallons. Oh, wow, that's pretty big. So let's try to find one that's small. Oh, 3.785. So if this is 1 gallon on the bottom, because I want to cancel out the gallons, and according to my book, it's 3.785. And you say, Mr. Adams, where is that at? Oh, let me show you. In your book, see right here? It says 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, which is equal to 3.785 liters. All right, so that's 3.75 or 785 liters. What's the last thing to do?
Multiply.
By what?
We multiply the top and divide by the bottom.
Yeah, but that gives us liters. Does that give us kilograms?
We can just
Well,
point 10 and 3 equals 1 kilogram, which equals 1 liter.
Yeah, so we'll convert the, so anyways, let's see what we have. We have 1 times 1 times 1. So this cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels. Our answer will be in liters, right? So on the top, I've got 3.785, and on the bottom I have 2 times 4, which is 8. So let's plug that in the calculator and see what we get. 3.785 divided by 8. And I have an answer of 0.473125 liters. Okay? Is that the correct answer?
Now we have to convert it to...
Now, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1 kilogram, so really it's 0.473 kilograms. And if you look in the back of the book, it'll say 474, but the reason they have that answer is they may have rounded their conversion ratios if they use sig figs. So we're correct. Now, what is this in grams? What if I wanted the answer in grams? What is this in grams? 473 grams? Is that right? Cool.